This is a Grinnell Model A-2 dry valve here. You can see Grinnell Model A-2. So you put a crowbar, pry bar, something across there, back that out. It's got an O-ring. When you put it back together, you don't have to kill it. This should be up when it trips. There is a washer inside of here that kind of hangs down and flops sideways, and that's what causes this to stay up. So it'll hold it like that. Don't be shaking it because it's metal on metal, so you don't want to damage this. If you turn it upside down, the washer will go back into place, and then you can pull this out. Then you just clean your rubber gasket up like normal. Clean this up. So the valve seat is metal, or the water seat is metal on metal. The silver part is the air seat. When you go to set it up, put that in there and get it centered. Don't put it in here first because it'll hold it up. And then we'll just tighten it up like we did in the past. Anyway, that should set it up, so let's see if it does.